Here comes our next question. Which union territory is at the bottom of child sex ratio? The union territory is Chandigarh. B option is correct. The study of population is called demography. C option is correct. Which state in India occupies the same ranking position in the respect of area and population? The state is Meghalaya. The rank of this state is what? You will have to answer this in the comment section. The union territory of Puducherry does not have a common boundary with Karnataka. Which union territory in India has 4 districts but none of its districts has a common boundary with its other districts? So the union territory is Puducherry. A option is correct. Density of population shows man-land ratio. The option is correct. The highly populated city in India is Mumbai. In which state is the literacy rate of women the highest? The state is Kerala. Growth rate of population means the difference between the birth and death rates. The percentage of India's total population employed in agriculture is nearly 60%. A option is correct. Sex ratio is calculated as number of females per 1000 males in a country. C option is correct. Next question. According to 2011 census, the state having maximum population is Uttar Pradesh. As per Census of India, an urban area with a population from 50,000 to 99,999 is named as class second town. A option is correct. Among the following states, Dash has the lowest birth rate in India. It is in Kerala. C option is correct. Which of the following is correct description of the term sex ratio as used in the context of census of population? The term is number of females per 1000 males. B option is correct. Which state in India has the largest coastal line? The state is Gujarat. C option is correct. Which of the following states are together called as Seven Sisters? So the states are Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. These states together called as Seven Sisters. A option is correct. Next question. At Barren Island, the only active volcano in India is situated in Andaman Islands. A option is correct. The Kovada Nuclear Park project is proposed to be set up in which state? It should be set up in Andhra Pradesh. C option is correct. Which of the following cities is the new capital of Simandhara? So the new capital of Simandhara is Amaravati. A option is correct. Here comes our next question. Which of the following cities is the new capital of Simandhara? The new capital of Simandhara is Amaravati. A option is correct. Which state of India is leading in solar energy generation? The state is Rajasthan. Which is called the Lake District of India? This is Nainital, that is called the Lake District of India. Which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides? So the state is Arunachal Tripura, that is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides. Which of the following states has the lowest literacy rate? The state is Bihar. Which state has the longest coastal line? The state is Gujarat. Which is the first Indian state to go fully organic? The state is Sikkim. What is the source of natural energy of the hot springs at Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh? The source is geothermal energy. A option is correct. Arrange the following cities in an order from north to south. First, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad and Cochin. We will have to arrange these cities from north to south. So the first city is Bhubaneswar. After Bhubaneswar there will be Hyderabad. After Hyderabad there will be Chennai, and after Chennai there will be Cochin. So A option is correct here. Next question. Raipur is the capital of which Indian state? Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. D option is correct. Over the years, birth rate in India has dash and death rate has. So the birth rate in India has fallen and death rate has risen. C option is correct. Birth rate has also fallen and death rate has also fallen. D option is correct. Next question. Where is the headquarters of Botanical Survey of India? located? It is located in Kolkata. Where is Indian Institute of Petroleum located? It is located in Dehradun. Which cities were first connected by the STD services? So the cities was Kanpur and Lucknow. Which city is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India? The city is Bangalore, that is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India. Of the following, the town which does not come within the National Capital Region is, the town is Mathura. Who was the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest? So the woman was Bachendri Pal. A option is correct. Which of the following is called the shrimp capital of India? It is Nellore. The option is correct. Where is National Chemical Laboratory NCL located? It is located in Pune. According to a study conducted by Hyderabad's National Institute of Nutrition, the healthiest of 14 fresh fruits commonly consumed in India with maximum goodness index is, it is guava. C option is correct. The district which is not part of National Capital Region is, the district is Muzaffarnagar. A option is correct. Which of the following districts lies to the east of the district Farrukhabad? The district is Hardoi. A option is correct. Which of the following districts lies to the north of the district Pratapgarh? The district is Sultanpur. The present name of Kamarupa is Assam. Which of the following sites has been included in UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites? So the site is Sundarbans National Park. The option is correct. Which one of the following is known as the Pearl City? So it is Hyderabad, that is known as the Pearl City. The famous tourist center Mahabalipuram is located near Chennai. C option is correct. The heavy rains and cloud burst during summer of 2013 devastated around 2000 villages, 1500 roads and 150 bridges in the state of Uttarakhand. The option is correct. The first salt based integrated steel plant in the country is, it is in Visakhapatnam. C option is correct. Which place is called as Silicon Valley of India? The place is Bengaluru, that is called the Silicon Valley of India. Who was the creator of famous rock garden of Chandigarh? The creator was Nek Chand. The option is correct. The atomic power station in Rajasthan is situated at Rawat Bhata. C option is correct. The Wheeler Island was been renamed as, so it has been renamed as Abdul Kalam Island. Where is the island of Man located? The island of Man located between Northern Ireland and England. A option is correct. Where are the most of Earth's active volcanoes concentrated? So the place is Pacific Ocean. B option is correct. The savanna finds its ideal conditions of growth in, so they find it hot humid climate with long dry season. C option is correct. Where is Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world located? It is located in USA. A option is correct. Which of the following rivers flow in the Germany? The river is Danube that flows in the Germany. C option is correct. What is the longest mountain range in the world above sea level? The mountain range is Andes Mountains. A option is correct. Next question. Where is Normandy Beach located? It is located in France. Match the rivers flowing through the cities below. City and river have been given here. Rotterdam, Paris, Budapest and Washington. The name of rivers: Seine, Potomac, Rhine and Danube. So we will have to match these. So first is Rotterdam. Rhine river flows through Rotterdam, and then Paris. So the river that flows through Paris is Seine. The river that flows through Budapest is Potomac, and the river that flows through Washington is Potomac, and the river that flows through Budapest is Danube. C option is correct. Next question. Match the rivers given below with the cities through which they flow. Bangkok, Shanghai, Dresden and Montreal. Hangzhou, Lawrence, Shaohara and Albi. We will have to match these. So the first is the river that flows through Bangkok is Shaohara, and the river that flows through Shanghai is Hangzhou, and the river that flows through Dresden is Elbe, and the river that flows through Montreal is St. Lawrence. A option is correct. Next question. Dikes are they are constructed in Holland. Colorado in USA is famous for this landform, Grand Canyon. A option is correct. Where is ground zero? The ground zero is in New York. Which two countries are connected by an underwater tunnel? The countries are France and England. The deepest trench of the world, the Mariana Trench, is located in the Pacific Ocean. Which country is the world's largest archipelago? The country is Indonesia. Which one of the following parts of world does not receive rainfall any time of the year? The part is polar regions. C option is correct. Which one of the following is the highest gravity dam in the world? It is Bhakra Dam. Climate is extreme, rainfall is scanty, and the people used to be nomadic herders. For which region is this statement correct? The region is Central Asian steppes. B option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following is wrongly missed? The first is typhoon, China Sea, hurricanes, Indian Ocean, cyclone, West Indies, and tornadoes, Australia. The name of cyclones are different in the other places, so the wrongly missed are B, C, and D. Only the first one is correctly missed. Next question. Black forests are found in Germany. The largest island in the world is Greenland. It is an integral part of Norway. The main reason for deforestation in Asia is excessive fuel wood collection. A option is correct. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. B option is correct. In which country is the volcano Mount Gemekonora, the highest peak of Halmahera Island, which erupted in July 2007 located? It is located in Indonesia. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? It is Aral Sea.